Hi, I'm Amar and I'm going to talk with you about Excel templates. I am a financial analyst, so I do lots of analysis, and sometimes some of the analysis that I do are repetitive. And in order to not duplicate any work, I use templates. I can show you an example of a template. Here I have. This is the template for analysis to analyze revenue streams for, let's say, a group. I want to see how profitable they are. My template consists of input tab, input, where you input your information, and my analysis does the rest. Depending on these inputs, information changes on these output tabs, so I don't need to create new formulas, calculate values, or any of that. I just simply enter values in inputs, and the rest is done automatically. I enter information in input tab, and the rest of the work is done for me by Excel, and that's the beauty of using an Excel template. I'm Amar. Thank you for watching.